What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be taking you to church, and then later I'm gonna show you guys how to apply for the Nairobi Expressway etc. Let's go. Yeah, so currently at home, then I'll be heading to church to drop my bro, and then later head to the Nairobi Expressway office. Respect the law. What's going on? What's going on, man? Hapa to service center. Msemo kwa nyuma. Asi amesema service center. Sini confused. Sasa enda tu. Amesema kwa nyuma. Sasa una exit. Sina exit. So how long is the installation process? Less than 10 minutes. Oh, correct.
Kilio chetu, sikia kilio chetu Bwana, come and have your way. Some are standing in the gap because of their husbands. Father, would you have your way?
What's up guys? So I got the ETC, and actually it's so easy to get the ETC. You can get it in just 10 minutes at the expressway, but make sure you have your car's logbook and the ID number of the owner. Yeah, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.